I just put this nice white bed in here, and everyone's jumping around having fun with it. There's Hemi, and there's Sophia. Sophia, look up. There's a girl. And there's Magno. Magno don't eat the bed. And here's Connie. And here's Tank. Hi, Tank. Hi, Buzz. What are you doing? And who do we have? There's Plum. Everyone's playing and having a good time. Oh, look at her go. Sophia's found something to play with. Hi, Sophia. And there's Bob. Hi, Bob. Bob and Connie are playing. And there's Tank. Tank's getting big. Hi, Tank. You're not going to look up? There's Plum.